Welcome back, my dear fellow friends. So, now we are going to continue our Salesforce Industries interview question series where we will find out the most commonly asked interview questions and we will figure out the way how to answer the questions which is asked by interviewer so that he can be little bit impressed by our answers and our understanding. So in my previous video, we have learned about what is Salesforce Industries or velocity and how to answer that question. So now we are going to continue the series and we'll jump back to the other question, which is also the most commonly asked question by the interviewer whenever you're going to apply for velocity developer. So the next question is, what is OmniStudio? This is one of the basic question after what is velocity that is asked by the interviewer to identify or assess your knowledge about the platform. So to answer this question, you can simply say that OmniStudio is a modular system with standard click-based components to quickly build Salesforce flow and solution. What we mean by that? We are saying that OmniStudio basically a modular system which gives us the click-based component or basically say drag and drop component to build Salesforce flow and solution, which means OmniStudio provides us the tools with the help of which we can directly build Salesforce flow and solution without the need of writing a backend Apex classes, which is really cool actually. But we cannot stop here by saying one statement because although it is self-sufficiently, we have to impress our interviewer. So we will go one step down and we will talk about architecture also. So while adding our points, we can say that Omshore architecture consists of three layers: digital experience layer, service management layer, and developer experience layer. In digital experience layer, we have two components, namely FlexCard and OmniScript. In service management, we have two components, namely as data after indication procedure, and developer experience, we have IDX Workbench and IDX Build Tool. There is no need to give full detailed explanation about the components because anyhow it will be asked again for further details. So for the moment, for this question, what is OmniStudio, you can give one line summary of the components, that what it is and what it does. So for FlexCard, you can say like this, that FlexCard summarizes and display contextual data and actions both from Salesforce or third-party system. For OmniScript, you can say that it lets you configure sequence of sales, service paths, and other business processes. Samely, you have to do for data type indication procedure also. So for data type, you can say that it serves for retrieving, transforming, and updating data, whereas integration procedure allows you to retrieve information from third-party services. For developer experience, you can mention that we have two tools by the help of which our developer life can become easier. First is IDX Build Tool, and second is IDX Workbench. For IDX Build Tool, we can say that it is a tool for managing OmniStudio data packs. For IDX Workbench, we can say that it is a desktop application with the help of which we can migrate data packs and Salesforce data. So basically here what we are explaining to interviewer that what basically OmniStudio is and what are the layers which consist of the OmniStudio. So these are the bullet points, or you can say these are the keywords. And if you ask what is the keyword in OmniStudio, the keyword is standard click-based component, which is the keyword which you have to say to interviewer so that he can understand that okay, you are very much familiar and that's how the things are going. So yeah, that's pretty much for today and best of luck for your interview. We will continue tomorrow. Bye bye.